Is your hair crying out for help? A promise of renewal? Are you tired of looking in the mirror and seeing dull, lifeless hair staring back at you? Does your hair feel more like straw than silk, breaking easily and refusing to grow? Many of us have been there, battling frizz, split ends and hair that just won't cooperate no matter what we try. It can be incredibly frustrating to invest time and money into products that promise miracles, only to be disappointed with the lack of results. But what if I told you that healthy, vibrant hair is within your reach? This essay is your guide to understanding and transforming your hair. We will explore the common causes of hair damage so you can identify what might be harming your own precious strands. More importantly, we will uncover the steps you can take to diagnose the issues, repair the damage, and nurture your hair back to its glorious best. This isn't about quick fixes, it's about a sustainable path to hair health. Imagine running your fingers through hair that feels soft, strong, and resilient. With the right knowledge and a little dedication, you can achieve the hair you've always wanted. Let's begin this exciting adventure together, towards the healthy, happy hair you truly deserve. My personal hair horror story began innocently enough, like many do. For years I believed that the more I did to my hair, the better it would look. I was a devoted user of heated styling tools. My trusty flat iron and curling wand were my daily companions, blasting my strands with high temperatures to achieve those sleek, straight looks or perfect curls I saw in magazines. I also loved experimenting with hair color, frequently bleaching and dyeing my hair to try out new shades. Little did I understand the cumulative toll these habits were taking on my poor, unsuspecting hair follicles and strands. Gradually, I noticed my hair becoming increasingly dry and brittle. The ends were constantly splitting no matter how often I trimmed them. My once shiny hair turned dull and frizzy, lacking any natural bounce or life. I remember spending fortunes on expensive serums and conditioners that promised to fix everything, but they only offered a temporary coating, a mere illusion of health. The real turning point came one particularly bad hair day. I was getting ready for an important event and my hair just wouldn't cooperate. Looking at my reflection, I saw not just damaged hair, but a reflection of my own frustration and lack of understanding about how to truly care for it. That day I made a solemn promise to myself and to my hair. One of the most common culprits behind hair damage is excessive heat styling. Those flat irons, curling wands, and even high-heat blow dryers can wreak havoc on your delicate hair strands. When you apply intense heat, it strips away the natural moisture from your hair, leaving it dry and brittle. Chemical treatments are another major contributor to hair woes. While dyeing your hair a vibrant new color, getting a perm for bouncy curls, or using relaxers for straighter locks can be tempting. These processes can be very harsh. Beyond heat and chemicals, everyday habits and environmental factors can also play a significant role in hair damage. High stress levels can disrupt your hair growth cycle, sometimes leading to increased shedding or weaker hair. Let me share with you where my hair journey truly began. This first picture shows my hair at its absolute worst. Look closely at the ends. They are thin, wispy, and riddled with split ends. You can see the distinct lack of shine. It just looks dull and lifeless. The overall texture appears coarse and frizzy, a far cry from the smooth, healthy hair I longed for. There was so much breakage that achieving any kind of length felt impossible. Every time I brushed it, little broken pieces would flutter down, a constant reminder of the damage I had inflicted over the years. Now let me show you the after. This second picture was taken much later, after months of dedicated care, patience, and a complete change in my approach to hair health. Notice the difference in shine. It has a natural gloss now, reflecting light beautifully. The ends are much thicker and healthier, with minimal signs of splits. My hair looks and feels incredibly soft and resilient. The overall volume and vitality are worlds apart from the first image. This is the result of consistent effort and gentle, loving care. The rescue mission: diagnosing and beginning hair repair. The very first step on the road to recovery is understanding the current state of your hair. One simple way to diagnose damage is the porosity test. Take a clean strand of hair and drop it into a glass of water. If it sinks quickly, your hair is likely highly porous, meaning its cuticle is raised and absorbs moisture fast, but also loses it just as quickly. A common sign of damage. If it floats, your porosity is lower. Another test is for elasticity. Gently stretch a single wet strand. Healthy hair will stretch and bounce back. If it snaps easily, it lacks protein and elasticity, indicating weakness. Once you have a better idea of your hair's condition, The next crucial step is often the hardest but most effective, a significant trim. A good trim will remove the most compromised parts, giving your hair a fresh start and instantly making it look and feel healthier. After the crucial trim, it's time for a heat detox. This means drastically minimizing or completely eliminating the use of hot styling tools for a while. Nourish from within, the diet for dream hair. Beautiful, healthy hair isn't just about the products you put on it, it's significantly influenced by what you put into your body. A balanced, nutrient-rich diet is fundamental for optimal hair growth and health. Protein is the building block of hair, as hair itself is primarily made of a protein called keratin. Ensure your diet includes an adequate amount of high-quality protein sources. Iron is another crucial mineral for hair health. Iron deficiency or anemia is a common cause of hair loss, especially in women. Vitamins also play a vital role. Biotin, a B vitamin, is often touted for hair growth. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production, which contributes to hair strength, and it also helps your body absorb iron. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that can help protect your hair cells from damage. Hydration is key for overall health, and that includes your hair. Your hair care toolkit, gentle heroes for happy strands. Choosing the right shampoo is the cornerstone of a gentle hair care routine, especially when you're trying to repair damage. Many conventional shampoos contain harsh sulfates, like sodium lauryl sulfate or sodium laureth sulfate, which can strip your hair and scalp of their natural protective oils. Look for sulfate-free shampoos that cleanse gently without causing further dehydration. Conditioner is your hair's best friend, particularly when it's damaged. After shampooing, always follow up with a good conditioner. For very dry or damaged hair, you might even consider co-washing, which means washing your hair only with conditioner most of the time and using shampoo less frequently. For an extra dose of intensive care, incorporate a deep conditioning treatment or a hair mask into your routine at least once a week. Beyond your wash day routine, leave-in conditioners and natural oils can provide ongoing protection and nourishment. A light leave-in conditioner can help to detangle, moisturize, and protect your hair from environmental stresses throughout the day. Natural oils like argan oil, jojoba oil, or coconut oil used sparingly on fine hair can be used to seal in moisture, tame frizz, and add shine to the ends of your hair. Finding these tailored to your hair type will be a game changer. Smart styling and growth boosters, the gentle path to length. When your hair is recovering, embracing low heat or no heat styling options is incredibly beneficial. Air drying is your hair's best friend during this time. Protective styles are also fantastic for minimizing daily manipulation and protecting your ends from friction and damage. If you do find yourself needing to use heat for a special occasion, make sure a heat protectant product is your non-negotiable first step. One simple yet powerful technique to promote hair growth is regular scalp massage. Massaging your scalp for a few minutes each day can help to stimulate blood circulation to the hair follicles. This increased blood flow delivers more oxygen and nutrients to the follicles, which can encourage healthier and potentially faster hair growth. While a balanced diet is paramount, some people find that certain supplements can provide an extra boost for hair growth, especially if they have specific deficiencies. Biotin, as mentioned, is a popular choice. Other supplements often associated with hair health include iron, zinc, vitamin D, and marine collagen peptides. Always consult with your doctor or a dermatologist before starting any new supplement regimen. The journey of 1,000 strands, patience, progress, and your beautiful future. The most important ingredient in any hair transformation journey is patience. Damaged hair doesn't heal overnight, and healthy hair doesn't grow inches in a week. It's a gradual process that requires consistency and a long-term commitment to your new gentle hair care habits. There will be days when you feel like you're not seeing much progress, and that's completely normal. Don't get discouraged. Trust the process and celebrate the small improvements along the way. One of the best ways to stay motivated and track your success is by taking progress pictures. Just like my before and after photos, documenting your journey can be incredibly rewarding. Take a photo of your hair at the beginning of your new routine, and then snap pictures every month or two under similar lighting conditions. You might not notice the subtle changes day to day, but when you compare photos over several months, you'll likely be amazed by the improvements. Your journey to goodbye damaged hair and hello healthy growth starts now. Click the link in the description to book your perfect getaway and grab all your travel essentials to make your trip unforgettable. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more travel tips and destination guides. Happy travels and see you on the road.